Hi, so this is Kimberly, and today I am going to go ahead and discuss three topics with regards to our MIS subject. And the topics that will be discussed are the following. So, first, we have decision support system, and then second, we have management information system, and then third, we have enterprise resource planning. So first we will discuss what decision support system is. Okay, so decision support system is a computerized program used to support determinations, judgment, and course of action in an organization or a business. A DSS sifts through and analyzes massive amounts of data, compiling comprehensive information that can be used to solve problems and in decision making. Typical information used by a DSS includes target or projected revenue, sales figures, or past ones from different time periods, and other inventory or operations related data. The DSS can be employed by operations management and other planning department in an organization to compile information and data to synthesize it into actionable intelligence. In fact, these systems are primarily used by the upper level management. And then example, a DSS may be used to project a company's revenue over the upcoming 6 months based on new assumptions about product sales, and due to a large number of factors that surround projected revenue figures, this is not a straightforward calculation that can be manually done. And however, a DSS can integrate all the multiple variables and generate an outcome and alternate outcomes as well. So all based on the company's past product sales data and current variables. Now, there are actually four characteristics of a DSS or decision support system. So first we have data collection, then we also have data management, then third we have data analysis, then last is data presentation. So first we will discuss what data collection is. So data collection, this is a system that collects information about the temperature throughout the world. So they use a range of devices to collect measurements such as temperature. So these gauges become part of a massive decision support system that is useful for any person interested in the heat of the day. So if a decision support system is to be useful, then it must first collect data that is relevant to your decision. Simple as that. And then second is the data management. So data management, once you have the data, you have to manage it. So from its word, data management. So first and foremost, that means somewhere to store it. So for example, all of the measures of a temperature gauge needs to be stored so that it can be analyzed. So this usually means some kind of database or data log. So a system that provides decision support also has a way to manage the data that it collects. And then next is data analysis. So this is the third characteristics of a DSS. So data analysis, the third of the characteristics of decision support system, is when data becomes insight. So by itself, raw data is rarely useful. Rather, it must crunch to meet the needs of the people who may benefit from it. And then fourth, or the last decision support system characteristic, is called data presentation. So data presentation, it's all, this is all about how you deliver your information to the people. And it is also the interface and interaction between data and user. So this is the user interface, look and feel, column, graph, or pie chart. And then next is the second topic that we need to discuss today, which is called management information system. So first, what is management information system? So management information system, it is a computerized database of financial information organized and programmed in such a way that it produces regular reports on operations for every level of management in a company. And it is usually also possible to obtain special reports from the system easily. So the main purpose of the management information system is to give managers feedback about their own performance. So top management, they can monitor the company as a whole. So example of the management information system are as follows. So we have Microsoft Dynamics, we have Fleetmatics Work, we have Clarity, Professional MIS or Professional Management Information System, and Thorsten Limited. And then so the management information system programs are designed specifically for the graphics and print industry, so including Avanti Slingshot, EFI Pace, and DDS Acura. So most management information system software programs are also available as desktop applications. So through many solutions now include web-based interfaces and mobile apps as well. And then last topic, but not the least, it's called enterprise resource planning. So what is enterprise resource planning? So it is a process used by companies to manage and integrate the important parts of their business. And then many ERP, or what you call enterprise resource planning, so many enterprise resource planning software applications are important to companies. Why? Because they primarily help them implement resource planning by integrating all of the processes needed to run their companies with a single system. And then an ERP, or enterprise resource planning software system, can also integrate planning, purchasing inventory, and then sales, and then marketing, finance, human resources, and more. So there are like main industries that use the ERP, or the enterprise resource planning, and then each paired with an example product. So first we have manufacturing. So manufacturing companies that uses this is called Infor Cloud Site. Industrial, this is an example of a product built for manufacturing companies. Then we also have healthcare. So Allscripts offers an ERP solution built specifically for hospitals and healthcare organizations. And then we also have construction. So Penta offers ERP for construction companies and contractors as well. Then we also have like two additional concepts to be aware of when using ERP systems by industry. So first we have bigger companies like SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, and Infor will most likely have the largest market share within each industry. And then second, those large ERP vendors tailor marketing messaging for each industry. They may even offer certain modules for specific industries. So those are the three topics that we need to discuss. So thank you so much for listening and for watching. You all have a good day and goodbye.